Hello traders, how is everyone doing? And yeah, today welcome to my another analysis video of a trade I took today, which is a Saturday. So guys, it's been a while since I've made an edited video of my entries and trades, but today I'll be I decided to show you guys how I managed to enter this trade and how I was able to take profit. Okay, so I'll just go into the video right away. I show you step by step of my analysis and my strategy, so you know what exactly happened and how I personally execute my strategy. Yeah, so remember to subscribe and like the video if you are new to my channel. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So I'm always first determining the base of the market, and when I checked on the higher time frame, so the market was right there. Okay, this was the market previously. So as you can see, we were having a series of high highs, high lows, a failed high right there, higher a low right there, then we got a what, we got a higher high right there, then we got a higher low. Then what would you expect happen here? Obviously you'd expect to have a new higher high being formed right there. Okay, so if you notice this a series of high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, you definitely will assume the next move is going to either create a failed high, which will definitely somehow stop right there at the high, or create a new higher high, meaning it will definitely break that high right there. So as simple as that, you would have determined that the high time frame is bullish. Okay, so with that in mind, we shall go ahead and drop down to my small time frame. So I'm always using the forex for the high time frame bias. Okay, so we've already determined the high time frame was bullish. So what I did, okay, so now we are on the lower time frame. What are we going to be looking at? Since if you've been watching my previous videos, you know very well I trade the 5 minute market structure shift. That's my personal STF entry model. So let's see from our previous market structure, we noticed market was having a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So after it had reached somewhere here, then we definitely got a structure shift right there. Okay, so what are we exactly looking for? We are looking to be trading in the direction of the higher time frame. Okay, which is we are going to be looking for the buy. So what does determine that the market is about to change direction from a bearish pullback to a continuation, which is the bullish momentum. Okay, so after getting that market structure shift right here, okay, that's not what we are looking for. We need to get a confirmation that the market has now turned bullish. Okay, and that's what we notice right here. So what do I do next? Okay, I continue marking the higher highs and higher lows until such a point where I will get a 5 minute market structure shift. So when you check very well, you will notice we had a break of structure right there. Okay, That's a break of structure, BOS. Then we got that high right there. Okay, that's the high right there. I'll mark it up to like somewhere there. We see if market is able to break it. Okay, then what next? So I'll play the market and show exactly what I'm always waiting for. So here you need to always be patient and wait for setup to play out. Okay, this is exactly how I trade. And yeah, if you're a beginner, uh, like pay close attention to what I'm going to show you next. Okay, so let's play the market and see what happens next. So we are getting that push above, push below. We've got some kind of a consolidation right there. So we wait patiently. What are we looking at anyways? We are looking for the market to break below this low right here to get a 5-minute market structure shift, because that's my entry model. Okay, let me play the market. Then boom, then a market structure shift happens right there. Okay, it happened right here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see very well. Guys, remember, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and like the video. Okay, we got our 5-minute market structure shift right there, a 5 MSS right there. So what would I be looking for next? Okay, I'll look it. If the market reaches that area right there, okay, if market reaches that area right there, I'm always after creating that 5-minute market structure shift, I'm always looking for confirmation entries on the lower time frame. Okay, and obviously what I'm going to do is drop down to the 1 minute. So this is how it looks like on the one minute, where I'm always looking for data entry confirmation. And if you've been watching my previous videos, you know very well I'm always looking for a 1 minute market structure shift. Okay, this is an entry model on the lower time frame, where the market will create that 1 minute market structure shift. Then I wait for a pullback, then I'll be entering for a buy in the direction of the higher time frame bias. Okay, so I'll go ahead and play the charts, then see what happens next. Guys, remember to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section what exactly you need to know about my strategy. Then I'll definitely be answering your questions. Okay, so what am I looking for next? Okay, so it's always good you mark those lower lows, lower highs. Since market created that 5-minute market structure shift, it's in some kind of fractal bearish downward move. Okay, that downward move. So but remember, we are looking to be buying this market, so we are looking for the market to turn bullish before we can enter for our buys. Okay, so I'll play the chart, then see if we can get that 1 minute market structure shift. Okay, so market moves like that, and boom, we get our 1 minute market structure shift uh, after the break of that lower high right there. Okay, and I'll mark it as a 1 MSS right there. So what am I looking for next? Okay, this is exactly how I trade. I'll be looking for a pullback, then and an entry. It will be an aggressive entry, and boom, it happens right there, guys. It happens right there. Okay, and this is where I enter exactly right there. Okay, put my stop loss below. Then I'll be looking to target uh, the next high. Okay, I'll be looking to target the next high. So what am I going to do? I will go to the 5 minutes, then we see how this will play out. Okay, stop loss should be below this area right there. Okay, and you need to always give room for the market. Okay, market to do its thing. Okay, so this is like a 2.9, which is not bad anyways. Okay, it's a good risk to reward right there. Okay, so I go back to the 5 minute to watch the market play, see what happens. Okay, then boom, oh man, then market went into a direction. That was a good sign right there. But the consolidation kept on coming. Then the trade looked a bit risky, but yeah, you need to always be patient and allow the market to do its own thing. Okay, you allow the market to do its thing. So while I was waiting, I felt that there was some kind of resistance right there, which was not allowing market to break through. This was a really strong resistance level right there. But yeah, I trusted the strategy and kept holding. Okay, despite the strong resistance right there, you need to stay patient, set and forget, and wait for market to do its own thing. Okay, the consolidation was a lot, but yeah, we waiting. It's a set and forget, and no micromanaging the trade. Okay, market had not got enough momentum to break through, and almost it was coming. Okay, still the resistance level was very strong. This was very strong, and I stayed in the market for like let's see, from 250 to oh man, up to at 135. That was like 1 hour and a half or something. It was uh, a long ride on this trade, and boom, market decided to break through right there. Oh man, then after that massive move to the upside, it had that big pullback right there, and that was so scary. As a beginner, I always want to advise you, make sure you always stay calm. Either you, after you've entered your trade, leave the trade to do its own thing. Don't sit on the charts. It only takes experience for you to sit on the charts and see those candlesticks move even close to your stop loss, and you feel the urge to close the trade, but don't do it. Just stay off the charts, unless if you've been watching the charts for some time, then it won't bother you that much. Okay, so when that pullback came, I stayed patient and didn't try to close the market. Okay, or try to adjust my stop loss, increase it or decrease it. That's not a good thing to do. Okay. Then market went back to profits, and boom, take profit was hit at around, let's see, it was around 8 p.m. At night. Okay, the trade which I entered at 2:40 during daytime, it closed at 8 p.m. 8:25. Okay, so guys, that's how I managed to enter that trade, and that's how it might be successful. Okay, so and this is my exact entry model. Okay, this is exactly how I trade, and it should be the same every other time. I'm not saying this setup works 100%, but if you apply it exactly, following all the rules, yeah, you definitely be profitable. Okay, so guys, if you learned anything in this video, subscribe and like, turn post notifications on, so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching, like the video, and yeah, see you in the next one.